Hi everyone. Okay, so just an update. Then I go making today shade, but I'm not even done. I finished the money bags, but I haven't even sewn them together because I have not been feeling well and I haven't gone to the store for any of the supplies that I need. I still need like different colors, which I do not even know where I left all my other ones. So I'll show you guys the finished product once I'm done. I'll probably try to finish it off here with every color that I decide that I'm gonna decide to put in here. But yeah, it's just something I'm working on. And then I started this one for my niece. She's learning how to cross stitch, but I'm just sort of starting the border for her. I will also show you guys how this one's gonna look like after it's finished, but that's probably gonna take a while because she is still learning. So yeah, and then if you guys are curious who's snoring, it's my dog. The dog. Daisy. 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 Hey. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Say hi. Tụi tung nghèo của tụi nè. Very, very lazy. Alright guys. Bye.